Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to draw tribal art. Okay, this is a tribal yin yang. Then this is the first step. Did you get it? Trying to get to the second step. Okay, that's the second step.
That's okay, because when she cries a lot,
that's the third step. And this is the fourth step, and you're all done with the fourth step. Okay, so that's yin yang. If you can see it, like the black is the first one, white is the second one. Okay, so you go back, then tribal skull. You just start off like that. Then that's the first step. That's the second step. And then this is the third step. This is the fourth step. This is the fifth step. This is the sixth step. This is the seventh step, and you're done. Okay, so tribal howling wolf. I'm only gonna show you these three. So tribal howling wolf, and then that's the first step, second step, third step, fourth step, fifth step, sixth step, and you're done. Okay, go back. Actually, I think I'm gonna show you one more. It's skull tattoo. Now watch this. That's the first step. That's the second step. That's the third step. That's the fourth step. That's the fifth step, and you're done. Okay, if you guys have any questions, just first of all, I want to tell you, if I went too fast, just pause the video during the steps, and then, yeah, so just do that, and then, yeah. So if you have any questions, just comment them, and, yeah, I'll answer them for you. Okay? Good talking, guys. See you guys later.